move that body to get my heart all in it, and I just wanna be with you tonight. Wait a minute, the way you move that body to get my heart all in it, and I just wanna be with you tonight. Wait a minute, the way you move that body to get my heart all in it.
Hey guys, and welcome to Craft Time Chronicles with Toya. Today I'm going to be making a custom rolling tray. So my first step is to have my tray. She wanted dark purple. So this will be the tray, and I spray paint my trays to the color that the customers would like. Next, sweet, I had a purple lighter already. So what I would do is just add the image onto the lighter. Easy, easy, easy to be doing. Just to get an example of what I'm talking about. So here's one of a stash jar. We have a lighter here, and then we have a tray. And then the ashtray, which I didn't do because it's already black. I will put like the king in the middle of it, or maybe even just the crown. But I don't know yet. But this is what pretty much it's gonna look like. Something like this when we're done. This is the epoxied already, so it's that shiny look. Alright, so this is what the tray looks like after I cut my image out. I placed the Polo G, who that is. So now I'm gonna, this is the lighter. But I'm gonna get back to that later. But what I'm gonna do now is epoxy this tray, this one here. I'm going to epoxy this one. And what I'm going to do is just pour right over. So then once you it's still kind of wet. Okay. Alright. So basically now what I'll just do is just let it sit overnight for at least 24 to 48 hours. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. And if you guys want a step-by-step tutorial, leave I do in the comment section.
The way you move that